Ooh, wait. That's not actually going to work. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. Got a new puzzle from Moru. And this is one of those limited edition ones that doesn't really have a use in competitions, but it's just a really nice collector's puzzle. And even though I am not a big person that collects or displays things anymore, I used to have my thing behind me, my display. I really like interesting looking puzzles. Mainly so I can show them to other people and they can often see how the cube works or just things that are different about them. So we get this nice magnetic box. I think the regular puzzle comes in that, but not looking like this. Inside we get the same sort of packet and everything, but with some added stickers. This is also, I forgot to say, this is the HuaMeng TG. And in the realm of Moru puzzles, this is like that in between the size and feeling of the WRM and the stability and feeling of the, oh wait, I lost my train of thought. What's it called? Because it's not the RS3. There we go. So right off the bat, the way this looks here, we have this transparent plastic, kind of darkened just a little bit. All of the magnets are yellow, and then internals are red. So we get this very dragon color scheme thing, and performs just how the regular one is. We've got core magnets, edge magnets, real nice strength there. I really do like this puzzle. This is one of my favorites. I like the weight of it. It's got some heft to it. But yeah. So as far as the stickers go that you get with it, we have these overlays that go over top. Is there only 5 of them, of the overlays? Nope, here's the 6th. Then we have our colors, white, yellow, green, blue. This is, oh man, I have not had stickers like this in a while. You used to always get stickers and you would sticker your own puzzle up. We have our tension tool. And that was the whole thing. Then you get your own colored stickers. Like Speedcube Shop would have all these different colors you can get. And I like the half bright shades. Well, I need to sticker this. So you can do it one at a time. I'm going to show you all the trick though. Get some clear tape, like packaging tape. Or you could just use any clear tape and do 3 at a time instead of all 9. And what you do is first let's get this to where the outer layer is off. And then you can grab them all at once, peel them off of here, and then all at the same time. We used to angle it a bit so it wouldn't flex as much, but it doesn't want to stay at that angle. That'll be okay. Then we can line this all up together. Ooh, wait. That's not actually going to work. The stickers are closer together than each individual piece. Okay. One at a time it is. Same thing here. These stickers are not exactly over top. You can see where the white is. And if I did use them, yeah, they'd be overlapping. So you have to do one at a time for this. Well, that's going to be a long video. So I'm going to leave it just as this for right now. And this will be a first layer practice cube at the moment. Ooh, actually, that would be a nice way to practice possibly doing like a practice for X-Cross things, planning out pieces and corners at the same time. Well, anyways, with all of that said, I've got a bunch of stickers I need to put on this thing, but I want to know, because I love the contrast of these colors, and even that slightly darker transparency, so it's not completely clear, adds a nice depth to it, where you can see things fading into the background. It's just not completely clear. This is one of my favorites. I want to know, what is your favorite looking puzzle? What is your favorite looking one as far as just the puzzle itself, or if it's a special edition with transparency and things like that? And if you don't have one, what do you want to see? What colors would you prefer? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Maury, for sending this over. I'll have a link in the description for either the regular one or the special edition when it becomes available. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.